did you enjoy the most about the course, and would you recommend this to other people?
As a parent, my favorite thing was seeing that he could apply all that he's learned. He is actually a student at the facility, and we play around at home a lot, and I'm always afraid, yeah, he knows the moves and can play around with his parents, but it was very affirming to see when I attacked him that he could actually use what he has learned in class. And his confidence in it, even though my son's pretty confident, built as he practiced. I think the practice of it and the course really stressed on some important things, and I'm very thankful. What was your favorite?
It's fun.
Would you recommend it to other people though?
Highly recommend it. Whether they have never attended any kind of Taekwondo or martial arts, or if they're all the way up to black belt, I think it's highly informative and a good way to practice what they've been taught.
Perfect. Well, Carver, you walk with confidence. Always, always, always. Good job today.
Yes, ma'am.